What's going on, boys? A little bit of a turning point in the channel, man. I'm not one to show my face ever, just because I don't want people knowing who I am or what I got going on. Now, I haven't posted a video in a little while, but I've got one hell of a surprise for you guys. We have went and picked up a new bike for the channel, man. As you guys know, I have my Grom. I've had this thing for years, dude. This was my first bike, and I absolutely love the shit out of this thing. And I've had multiple cruisers and other bikes like that. And I'll pop up a couple pictures of some that I've had. But the Grom was my first brand new bike. I mean, it was my first motorcycle. And then after that, I kind of done some swipping and swapping, got some more deals going, had a couple projects that I built and sold. But boys, we have picked up a fresh unit. I mean, fresh unit. All right, I'm not just gonna keep talking about it. Let me show you guys the bike. We have went and picked up a 2024 DRZ 400 SM. Guys, this has been my absolute dream bike for the longest time. I grew up watching Moto Bro, Do It With Dan, Fooligan. You know, the Grom was my original dream bike, man. But we accomplished that dream, guys, and it was time to take the next step up. One of the biggest influences in bike life to me was Moto Bro, man. He was the OG's down to earth, bro. I love watching his videos, get on there and see a daily donut every day. So I just had to honor my inner child, man, and go get one myself. As you can see, we've done put 100 miles on it. It had like 8 miles when I got it. And let me tell you guys something, this thing is an absolute beast, dude. I mean, it pulls the front tire up in third gear, no issues at all. And the Grom, I have to yank it up just to even get the tire up in second gear. We're gonna have some riding videos coming soon on this thing, man. It's been really cold down here, so I haven't done a whole lot of riding. I got to get a new mount for my helmet for the GoPro. But it's not like I don't have any more project bikes or bikes that I'm working on to give content to you guys for. It's just been so cold down here, man, and I don't deal with the cold at all. I still have the Harley. We're going to get to that soon enough. But as of right now, we've got my buddy's 1100 that we're working on. So far, we've done bars, mirrors, hand controls, grips. We've thrown a set of blinkers on for them. Started fixing up the tank a little bit. I know this doesn't look perfect, but I'll pop a picture up of what it looked like before. But we just got some parts for this thing in, man, so y'all be seeing some videos on it very soon. Like I said, this is going to be a turning point for the channel. I'm not one to show my face at anything. I just don't like people knowing who I am, I guess, which is, I know, it's stupid. If I'm going to do this for a living, eventually you guys are going to have to know who I am, right? I'm just trying to change things up, man. Get the ball going. I want to be more open with you guys, share more of my life with you. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to shoot a little B-roll of this thing, get y'all some clips of it, and we'll see you in the next one.